What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this SanDisk SSD portable. So as you can see, the read speed and the write speed right there, which basically come in this package. So I picked this up to use to do most of my video editing on and just store most of my video files. And as you can see, it is water resistant, and yeah, it basically come in this package right here. And I thought this would be a bigger, but it just basically small and compact, which I very love about this product right here. So I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. As you can see guys, basically come in this package right here. So as you can see, it's very small, lightweight and compact. It basically measure my finger right there. You can see how tiny this thing is, and this is the 2 TB version, as you can see. So we have some paperwork inside here. We have the cable as well, which is gonna hook it up to my computer. This is how it looks. You can attach this part right here onto one of these. Perfect. This is how it looks guys. Very lightweight and compact. We can plug this part right here, which is USB type C. As you can see, plug it in here very easily transport, plug this into your computer, and it works just fine. So this is what I'll be using to store most of my files and those things, as you guys can see right there. And I loving this right here, very lightweight and compact, and I'll be using this to do most of my video work and store my file because it's very fast, because it is basically a SSD. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this video very helpful.